Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. This is going to be a early morning coffee video again, and it's going to be on some of my favorite Bobbi Brown products. These are products I use, on a everyday basis, weekly basis, really products that I absolutely stand behind as being products that I love. So I thought it would be fun to do kind of a dedicated video. I've never done one like this before, just showing you my favorite Bobbi Brown products. I'll actually show myself demonstrating them on my face going on so you can see how they apply, and I can just explain to you why I love them so much. So let me put my coffee down and get the first product. The first product that I use a lot on an everyday basis is this Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. I love to put this under my eyes in the morning and just put just the tiniest amount. You really don't need that much. And just dab it all around my eyes. This is Bobbi Brown's top selling eye cream. It really absorbs so quickly under my eye area, and then it leaves it very smooth and refreshed. Takes away all that dryness. It almost feels like it's firming that area of my eye and helping with the elasticity. And it is supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles. And this eye cream doesn't contain any parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. This is a new product for me. In Colorado, I know I keep saying this, I sound like a broken record, but I love the climate out here. It is dry. I love dry climate. However, you really need to kind of keep up with your skin in a dry climate, because if it gets out of control and gets too dry, especially in the wintertime, it's kind of hard to do catch up. It really is. It's hard to catch up once your skin gets really, really dry. So I try to keep my skin super hydrated, and I love just dabbing this eye cream around my eye. If it's helping with fine lines and wrinkles, who knows? But it definitely does help make that area under my eye look softer and more hydrated, and I think it at least gives the appearance of having less lines around your eyes. Another product that I really love from Bobbi Brown is her Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation. I think this is a fabulous foundation for someone that has mature skin, especially if you have drier skin. Now, if your skin is oilier or if you live in a humid climate, I'm not really sure how much I would like this. I only use this when I'm out in Colorado, but when I'm out here and I put this on my skin, it makes my skin look so hydrated, so supple, dewy but not oily. I just find this foundation to just be a fabulous foundation for mature skin. This foundation also is supposed to help prevent collagen damage and also fight the visible signs of aging. So it does contain anti-aging ingredients. I also like that about it. And I do like that it has the higher SPF of 40. So this is a winner for me when it comes to foundations for my more mature skin. Something I want to get more of. I just recently purchased these. I was actually watching, I forget the girl's name. I think she lives in England. I don't know if she works for Bobbi Brown's company or not, but I will leave a link to her YouTube channel down in my description box. I think she is just so charming and beautiful, and every time she puts a video up, I run to watch it because her application of makeup is so beautiful. I am sure she is a makeup artist also. I love these Bobbi Brown long wear cream shadow sticks. These are so beautiful on the eyes. They look, I think, so natural. I think they're really great for mature eyes. They really seem to make my eyes pop. They make my eye area look younger. They make my eyes sparkle. Two of my favorite colors for my more olive, darker, tanner complexion are sand dune. I like to put sand dune in my crease, and on my lid, I love to use golden bronze. I really, really want to get more of love these eye cream sticks. I love these. They are so easy to put on. They just melt into your skin, and once they're on, they stay on all day. One of my favorite ways to apply eyeshadow. So simple, so goof proof. I really love these. I cannot say enough about these. I would like to purchase more of these. You can't really make a mistake with them, and I really think the amount of pigment they lay down is just right for mature eyes. Finally, I don't really have any powders from Bobbi Brown. I don't have any powders from Bobbi Brown. I don't have any concealers from Bobbi Brown. I know I used to have her corrector, but I just never repurchased that. And I know she does have some beautiful highlighters, but I found so many more inexpensive highlighters that I just love. So for me, I'm just kind of highlightered out at this point. I have so many highlighters I can't get through right now, so I've kind of stayed away from that. And I also know that she has a really beautiful bronzer, which I haven't tried yet. And I used to have some Bobbi Brown glosses. I went through those, but I just never repurchased any of her glosses or her lipsticks. I don't know, I just haven't gone to the Bobbi Brown lipstick area to test any out. What I have purchased is Bobbi Brown's blushes. I love Bobbi Brown blushes. I've purchased her Bobbi Brown blushes. I've purchased a lot of her Bobbi Brown blushes, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite colored blushes of hers for my skin tone. I have 3 very similar looking powder blushes, and I have 3 of her cream blushes. And right now, with how dry and cooler, or should I say cold, it is now in Colorado, I've really been leaning on these cream blushes. But let me show you the different shades of them so you can actually see kind of what they look like against my skin tone. For the blushes, I have this blush, which is called Nectar. The next one next to it is called Tawny, and then the one at the very end is the one that is the most popular, and a lot of brides use it when they get married and do their makeup, and it is Pale Pink. Pale Pink is such a popular blush. It looks scary in the container, but when you put it on, it just gives your cheeks just such a beautiful, healthy baby, I don't know, just beautiful baby face. I love the way Pale Pink looks on the skin, and I think almost anybody can use Pale Pink. Now on to my cream blushes. You're going to actually see me putting on Uber Beige. I really love this shade. It's such a neutral color, almost goes with any eyeshadow, and I'm putting that on my cheeks right now. On my lips, I'm going to put a little bit of powder pink on, and then I also have Pale Pink, and I'm going to show you 3 of them side by side. On the left is the Uber Beige, in the middle is the Pale Pink, and on the end is Powder Pink. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my favorite products from Bobbi Brown. I use these products all the time. I love them. I would definitely love to repurchase some more of her eye sticks. That's really on the top of my shopping list right now. That's everything Bobbi Brown that I have on my vanity. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.